What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's somebody technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox and check this mini 2.0 desktop speaker. This thing has a subwoofer and two channels like the bigger 2.1 home theater, but this is a very small in size, you can see, and the build-up is like all plastic, no wooden there. So this is the box, and the brand is Supercomp. Well, the design is copied from the front deck, a very old one with the same design just like this. So here on this side, check the specs. It says output power 25 watt RMS, power supply AC, and signal to noise ratio distortion more than 1%, and frequency response 20 Hz to 18 kilohertz, and speaker 4-inch and to 3-inch, impedance 4 ohms. All the speakers are magnetically shielded, so there wouldn't be any magnetic interference if you keep it near the monitor or Wi-Fi system or anything like that. So that's a very good thing. And here you can see the model number SES1025, and the price was like $650 on a local store. I bought this from a local store, but this kind of design speakers are like around 800 and 900 online, so this is a very cheap one. So let's open this box and check the speakers. That's the subwoofer and two channels. Let's take them out. And that's one. So you can see nothing else inside the box. Let's keep it aside. And that's the main unit, the subwoofer, and all the amplifier, the power supply, and all circuitry is in there. And at the back you can see that's the out for these two channel speakers, and that's the input for the audio in, and that's for the headphone. So actually it's made for the desktop system. That's why there's the input, and the headphone socket is also there in case you need to use a headphone. And if you use a headphone, you can still use this volume control to control the level of the headphone audio. So that's a very nice thing. And these two are the channel speakers. Let's take them out of this plastic. So they are like connected with the stereo cord, and that's the stereo jack for the two speakers output. That's ground, that's left and right. So let's keep it aside, and now connect this thing and check the sound how it is. Alright, so there's a game called Technoboy Master. Oh, that's the one. You'll get the link in the description below. If you like to play cards, then you can go to the description of the video and you'll find the link of the Technoboy Master, and you can download that. And also you can earn real money from this game, and you can withdraw that money through UPI. So that's a very nice thing. If you want to play a game, you can play the game, or you can just share the game with all your friends. Then also you'll earn money. So you get the details right here. So do check my description, check out the link.
Feels like it's my fortune that you folded. I was swimming with the sharks. I was swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from Let's put 'em on the song. Oh, you know, I tried to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Doctor, I feel dead getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights and but I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city.
So here it's connected to the PC and the sound is a bit louder and very good, clear, but the bass is not that much great, as this is a plastic enclosure and it cannot handle like much bass at loud volume. So except that, this is a very good thing for voice and I think movies and games and for desktop work purpose. If you don't want to spend much money on speakers like that, you just need the sound, a bit good sound, then you can go with this one, very small budget speaker. So that's it, that's all for today. In the next video, thanks for watching, bye bye.